Mastering Physics, a step-by-step guide to success. Hello guys, welcome back to the Ultimate Study Guide, where science meets strategy. Physics might feel like a mountain to climb, but guess what? You have everything it takes to reach the top. Let's break it down together, step by step. Break each chapter into smaller, manageable parts. Focus on just one topic at a time. Don't rush. Mastering one piece before moving on is how you build momentum. Understanding is everything. Start by reading your textbook or watching a lecture. Use the Cornell-notetaking method. Write the main idea, jot down details, and summarize in your own words. This is the foundation. You can't solve problems without it. Physics formulas aren't just equations, they're tools. Learn what each formula represents and break it into parts. Memorize through understanding. Derive the formula and know when it applies. Create a formula sheet with units and conditions like valid only for constant acceleration. This sheet will be your cheat code for practice. Seeing concepts in action makes them stick. Watch videos from platforms like Khan Academy or use T simulations. Animations showing forces, energy, or motion will help you truly grasp the ideas. Start with basic problems to build your confidence. Once you're comfortable, move on to harder multi-step problems. After solving, always review your answers. What went right? What went wrong? Each mistake is a chance to improve. This is a game changer. Look for patterns in your mistakes. Are they from math errors, misinterpreting questions, or gaps in understanding? Keep a mistakes journal and use it to track and fix your weak points. Revisit the concepts you're struggling with. Reread your notes, watch videos, and solve similar problems repeatedly until they feel natural. Try explaining the topic to someone else. It's the ultimate test of your understanding. Simulate exam conditions with timed practice tests. Use past papers or online resources. After each test, analyze your performance. Which questions took too long? Where did you hesitate? Practice exams teach you how to manage time and boost your confidence. These steps are simple, but they're powerful. Start today. Take one step, then the next. Physics might seem tough, but with focus and persistence, you'll master it. Believe in your ability to learn and grow. You can do this. Go crush that exam.